I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change an account name in Google Authenticator. Step 1. Open the Google Authenticator app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Google Authenticator home screen. Step 2. Find the account in this list that you want to change the name of, and then swipe slowly from right to left across this account. Menu options are shown. Step 3. Tap Edit. The Edit Account screen opens. Step 4. Find the Account Name field. Change the name to what you want it to be and then tap Save. You'll return to the Google Authenticator list where you'll see the name of your account has successfully been changed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.